Let's talk about slicing in Excel. So what we are going to be doing today is just like going to give you tips on how we are going to do slicing in Excel. I have copied Nigerian states and the geopolitical zone. I want to paste it here, and as you can see, I have the Nigerian states. I'll go to format and say auto fit column, and then I selected the whole Nigerian states. I can press Ctrl T to add table, which is exactly what I did, and then the table have header if I want it to have a header. And as you can see right now, then let me return it. I press Ctrl T again, and then my table has header. If you click on this, you see that it automatically picks states and geopolitical zone as the header. Now if you search for this, if you select all and you click OK, you see there's nothing here. So if you search it northeast and you click OK, you're only going to have northeast states. And then if you still go back here and open and select southeast and click here, you're going to have only southeast and northeast zone. Now, but this is slicing. Now, another smart way of doing this same thing in aspect of to make your display up better. So what you just need to do is I am just going here to clear or filter so that I'll have everything as it is. Then I'm going to select the whole table like I selected it. I'll go to insert, then I'll go to slice here, and then I want to slice the geopolitical zones. So I click on geopolitical zone and click OK. Now it will bring this for me. Now this is okay. I can choose to leave it like this, because if I leave it like this and I click here, it only gives me northeast. Give me any zones I click based on my slicing, it gives me like that. Then I can also choose to go to the column here and then change the columns to the tree, and then I can arrange this to the way I want it and drag this so that I will see all the zones like this. You can see up here that is southwest, everything is complete. I can drag this table down to top here. Now what does it work? Probably I can decide to remove here, maybe there is a space in between them. Let me leave one line, and I'll click here, and then this is it. So as you can see, if I want to see northeast, I'll click on this. I will have north central, as you can see up here. Then north central is not open up. I can always drag it to the right, and you see north central. Then if I click on south, you see all the south state. If I click on the southeast, you see all the southeast state. If I click on the northwest, you see all the northwest state. If I click on northeast, you see all the northeast state. I can hold Control and select southeast and northeast and south, and once I leave it, this comes in. I can hold Shift, select the beginning to the end, and all the states comes. So this is best way to deal with slicing in Excel. So as you do it like this, you can actually fill no matter the number of data you have, and if you have a lot of data and you want to group them into this, so this is the best way you can make this slicing. And you see here, I have southeast here. So once you click on south, you see south. When you click on this, you see this. When you click on this, you see that. So any one of them you click, is not just only state. You can do that by product. You can do that once you group them into different things, and then you are going to get that done this way. So this is the best way you can do slicing. And I'm going to stop here on slicing, and let's proceed to another part. Thank you.